Hello everybody, today I want to show you how can I download or get Netflix in my normal TV. Okay, two options, very easy, it's cheaper and easier. Okay, now the first option, you can buy this. Okay, it's a Roku TV, it's a launcher. With this you can get all apps streaming, example Netflix, YouTube, Twitch, Apple TV, Apple TV, Paramount, Disney, Netflix, Roku, Hulu, Crunchyroll, all apps to streaming. Okay, with this it's very easy, it's cheaper. You can this you just need a connect in your back TV in the port HDMI, and with this you can get Netflix. And the other way is use HDMI cable with your PC, iPhone or mobile, tablet or laptop. Okay, whatever. In this case I use my PC with cable, HDMI and adapter. I don't know what is the word, but with this example, this is for iPhone. Now you can see I put this in my iPhone and connect the cable here and charging cable here. Okay, with this can I duplicate my screen, example in here button. Okay, and PC or tablet or mobile, doesn't matter. And with this you can put Netflix or YouTube, whatever. Okay, and this is all for this video. Sorry for my English, I know that not is the best, but I hope that this video helped you. Okay, have a good day, see you later.